Hey everybody, Corey Peterson with Kahuna Concepts. Today, guys, I want to talk about your PATEOTR. Okay, how big is it? How big is your PATEOTR? Right now, for some people, it's really big, and for others, it may be a little bit smaller. Right, but your PATEOTR is going to be up to you. And so, what is a PATEOTR? Okay, well, guys, it's the pot at the end of the rainbow. Right? When we think about Lucky Charms, right? At the end of that rainbow, there's usually a pot of gold, right? And so what I ask people, and I ask this people a lot, is, how much money do you need? How much money do you gotta have? How much is the pot at the end of the rainbow? What is it? And more importantly, is it money? Because I think you'll find as you start your journey in multifamily real estate, initially we all kind of revert to it's money. But there's going to be a time in your journey that money is going to become irrelevant. And what's more important is time. Time. Believe it or not, time is your most precious and valuable commodity. And as we start making more money, I think a lot of us start waking up to the pot at the end of the rainbow is not about money at all. It's really about your time and the people and your experiences. Time and experiences, and truly having a little bit of money to do it, right? Because at the end of the day, I believe we're all victims of this, or at least this is all our biggest wants in life, is to have time and money. Most people have one, very few have both. And what is it that the people that have both, what is it that they have mainly in common? Well, I'm going to shatter some myths. It's most of them have real estate in common, right? Not real estate where you're buying and selling, right? Not wholesaling, not fix and flip, not transactional type of investing. Okay, that's a good way to make some money. But we're not talking about just making money. We're talking about having that pot, and every pot of gold that I know with Lucky Charms, there's always seems like there's another pot, right? It keeps refilling itself. You can never take all the money out. And that's what we're talking about multifamily investing, because that's really what, at the essence and core of what multifamily does, is it takes in rent checks each and every month, okay? And then it goes through a grinding process, and then it spits out profit out the back door. And when you set this thing up correctly and you keep repeating the process time and time again over a couple, 3 or 4, 5 years, the end result is you have it's kind of like an everlasting gobstopper. Okay? Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory would be proud because it never runs out, right? That bucket of gold, that pot at the end of the rainbow, keeps overflowing with money each and every month. But it's not the money that counts, okay? It's what you can do with the money and then allowing yourself to have time. Money can sometimes buy time. And eventually we understand that money is fleeting and it can come and go. Time is our most valuable asset, guys. So my question to you is this: what are you doing to put more time in your life? How are you positioning yourself in your day-to-day operations that's moving the needle to start giving you back more time without losing that money, without losing that income? Guys, if you don't have a solution for it, I highly recommend that you take me up on my offer and go to kahunawealthbuilders.com and click my Quick Start Workshop series. Let me start giving you a foundation of how to build wealth the correct way using other people's money to buy multifamily deals that will allow you an everlasting gobstopper or a pot at the end of the rainbow that can never be diminished. It is absolutely happening in every day. More and more people are understanding the value of multifamily apartments. Don't let that not be you. Take me up on that offer and we'll see you guys on the other side.